Hello everyone. Yeah, just want to show you the automatic washing machine I just converted to a manual washing machine. Here is the former board. Yeah, it's quite old. The board is bad, so I tried getting it online. I couldn't get it. Also, I went to the market. I couldn't get it there. And I fixed it over and over and over again. I've done so many work on it till it failed. So let me just show you the mode of the operation. As you can see, I have two indicator lights here, and this one is presently on, which means it's in the washing mode. Here's the knob for washing, and here's the knob for the spin mode. And here's the switch, a two-way switch for water in and water out, the drain motor. So presently now it's on wash mode, that's why the light is on. So if I want to switch to the spin mode, I run a wire down to this button. This is formerly the on button, but now I use it to switch. There is a switch under this machine, a motorized switch that switch from wash mode to spin mode. So this is the switch I'm using to control it. So if I press this button now, you see that this thing will switch to a spin mode. You see the red light is on now. Until this light goes off, before I'll be able to on the spin mode. Now it's off, so now it's safe. But if the two lights is on, it can't work because it will get the washing machine damaged. So now let me engage the spin. So as I switch to this place, this knob will not work again. You can see it will not work until I switch back to the wash mode. So now let me on the spin. It's on spin mode now. Now let me switch it back to the wash mode to engage this knob back. So when I engage this one will stop working. Now I press the switch again. You can see the light is on until the red light goes off. Yeah, it's off now. So this one will not work again. This will not work again. It is disabled. Now the wash mode will start working. As you can see, it's working now. Then reverse. So now for the drain and the water in, this one switch controls all. So let me engage the water in. Now there is a pressure switch, which once the water level gets to a particular level, you're supposed to switch off the water coming in so that it not overflow. But for now the switch is bad. I will have to replace it. So now let me stop it. So now let me engage the drain mode, switch it to this side. As you can see, yeah. So now it's working fine. Yeah, thank you.